billion.
He's rich enough to get his suit dry cleaned with all those champagne stains. Easy. Very nice champagne stains. Now, the annual Australian Construction Achievement Award was announced in Perth last night.
The prestigious competition recognises the best of the best building projects completed in the past year. Kathy Jacobs spoke with awards chairman Chris Stoltz about the winning project.
The winner was the Moorebank Unit Replacement Project, which is another name for saying the relocation or rebuilding of the Holsworthy Army Base. It's a major training facility for the Army, and it had to be relocated because of another project, and so it had to be done to a timeline, had to be done with environmental sensitivity, heritage sensitivity, and it had to be done, of course, in a budget, and they've done a fantastic job in achieving that. It was just a beautiful example of planning, and then the execution with the client, because there were a lot of constraints about access to the site, when things could be moved, and all of that had to be scheduled. And then the sheer beauty of some of the construction, you know, beautiful concrete work, beautiful paving, the swimming complex. They've got a swimming pool where you can drop half a helicopter in, and the guys have got to swim out of it. So there were some fantastic challenges that they had to overcome in the design and construction of this. And then to complete it on time, under budget, beautiful. Customers really happy.
We have a lot of emphasis on cultural awards in Australia, literary awards, art awards. We don't always think about engineering awards, but these are pretty important, aren't they?
Well, that's an interesting point, that often we forget how much of our world is engineered. When we look around us, our water, electricity, gas, rail infrastructure, the buildings that we're sitting in now, they're all engineered. And I guess engineers hide themselves under a bushel sometimes and don't brag enough about how well we do. So this award is about showing off great engineering and great construction. And so we celebrate the best of the best. This project was the best of the best, and Australia's very lucky that we've got the expertise to pull off great projects so well.
So what will it mean for the winner of the project? What are the dividends for them?
Well, collegially, they can brag for a while that they beat their competitors, but it is good for winning extra work. So these companies will use the fact that they've won this award to demonstrate why they should be given the opportunity to win other jobs, both here in Australia and overseas. Laing O'Rourke's a multinational company, and so I have no doubt they will use this award to help them win other work around the world, and that might include using some of our engineering expertise here overseas on another project that they win.
Very nice to see engineering expertise in Australia recognised in that way. Congratulations all. Now, how can you enjoy